Did you know that an average SUV can cost up to $10,000 a year just for maintenance? It sounds crazy, but the truth is, not every SUV turns you into a garage slave. There are still models that can reliably go beyond 400,000, even 500,000 miles, with just oil changes, filters, and a few basic items. In this video, we'll explore the 8 most worthwhile SUVs that save your wallet, ensure safety, and hold their value over time. And don't look away, because at the end, we'll reveal Daddy 2 death trap SUVs for your bank account that you should avoid at all costs. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. List of 8 durable, worth-buying SUVs. 8. Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is the SUV that rewrote the rules of the game. It's no coincidence that it has been America's best-selling SUV for years on end. Toyota cleverly crafted a near-perfect formula: a sturdy chassis, easy handling, a reliable engine, and surprisingly low operating costs. What shocks many is that older RAV4 models, even from 2010, are still cruising smoothly on the road with their original drivetrain, without ever needing a major overhaul. Here's the golden point. The RAV4 holds its value so well that sometimes a used RAV4 can match or even surpass the price of a brand new SUV from Honda or Ford. This means when you buy a RAV4, you're not just buying peace of mind. You're investing in an asset that appreciates over time. Even if its performance isn't thrilling, the 2.5L 4-cylinder engine won't make you peel out on the highway. The real value the RAV4 delivers is what keeps people loyal. It combines Toyota's signature durability with long-term asset preservation, acting like a shield protecting your wallet from depreciation. So, would you choose an SUV loaded with toys but loses value quickly, or a RAV4, the vehicle that quietly safeguards your finances day after day? 7. Acura RDX. While many chase the flashy allure of BMW, Audi, or Mercedes, the RDX quietly stays out of the spotlight, only to emerge as a hidden gem few expect. Behind the seemingly unfamiliar Acura badge is a Honda Pilot platform dressed in a suit, a renowned 3.5L V6 engine, and a smooth and reliable 6-speed transmission, all wrapped in a luxurious interior with soft leather, excellent sound insulation, and amenities that rival German SUVs. Here's the interesting part. While many European cars lose value dramatically the moment they leave the showroom, a 2013 RDX can sometimes be cheaper than a used Toyota RAV4, yet it offers a roomier cabin, a more premium feel, and remarkable durability. RDX owners often boast that they've crossed 150,000 miles with only basic maintenance. Try finding a BMW X3 that can do that without costing thousands in transmission repairs. There's another sweet secret. As a luxury SUV, the RDX is sometimes classified differently by insurers, which can make its insurance cheaper than a Ford Escape or Chevy Equinox. In other words, you get to enjoy premium class luxury while paying the costs of a mainstream vehicle. So why chase a flashy brand when the RDX quietly delivers comfort, value, and long-term peace of mind? 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. 10 years ago, mentioning Hyundai might have raised doubts about durability, but the Santa Fe is the clearest proof of a stunning transformation. The Korean automaker made a bold move: a 10-year or 100,000-mile warranty, practically handing you a protective charm the moment you sign the contract. This isn't just a marketing tactic. It has saved thousands of owners' wallets, because even if a major issue arises, you're not the one footing the bill. In reality, Santa Fe models out there are reliably surpassing 200,000 miles with just routine oil changes, brake checks, and tire maintenance like any other car. Another plus: reasonable fuel consumption, lower maintenance costs compared to Jeep or Volkswagen, and steadily improving resale value. For older drivers or families prioritizing peace of mind, the Santa Fe is like a safe investment. Drive comfortably today without worrying about tomorrow's costs. Would you choose an unpredictable SUV full of surprises or a Santa Fe, a vehicle that offers financial security and long-lasting durability? Thief, Lexus LX. If there's an SUV that could be called an immortal warrior, it's undoubtedly the Lexus LX. Beneath its luxurious leather exterior, glossy wood-trimmed dashboard, and proud Lexus badge lies the heart of the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle renowned for its ability to conquer deserts, climb mountains, cross streams, and outlast the lifespan of many homes. It's no coincidence that in the Middle East and Africa, LX and Land Cruiser models keep rolling along, with some surpassing 1 million miles without needing a major overhaul. Of course, this durability comes at a cost. Fuel efficiency rarely exceeds 17 mpg. But consider this. Would you prefer a fuel-efficient SUV that's constantly in the shop, or an LX that can stay by your side for a decade with just oil changes and routine checks? Another golden advantage: its depreciation is nearly zero. A 5 or 10-year-old LX still commands a price that might shock you, because everyone knows that once you own one, you may never need another SUV. With the Lexus LX, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're investing in immortality and peace of mind, an SUV capable of being your lifelong companion. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support our channel. 4. Mazda CX-5. While many compact SUVs are merely mobile boxes designed for basic transportation, the CX-5 offers an entirely different experience. It's not just a vehicle. It's a car that makes you want to take an extra lap just to enjoy its precise handling and captivating design. With its sporty exterior and sleek yet luxurious interior, the CX-5 masterfully balances practicality and driving excitement, something rare in its segment. A key advantage is this: the CX-5 avoids the trendy CVT transmission, often criticized for durability issues, and sticks with a reliable 6-speed automatic. This means fewer risks of breakdowns and savings of thousands of dollars in repair costs for owners. In fact, RepairPal rates the CX-5 an impressive 4.55 for reliability, and countless owners confirm this score is no exaggeration. Though its cabin space is slightly smaller than the RAV4 or CR-V, you get a more premium cockpit and a driving feel akin to a sedan. Financially, the CX-5 holds its own: low maintenance costs and strong resale value over time. In other words, the CX-5 proves you don't have to sacrifice style for durability. The Subaru Forester. If there's an SUV dubbed a tireless companion, it's the Forester. Consumer Reports gave this vehicle an astonishing 98/100 for reliability, a rare score in the automotive world. Many were once wary of Subaru's CVT transmission, but the truth is, the brand has thoroughly addressed those concerns. With regular transmission fluid changes every 30,000 miles, the Forester runs smoothly, carrying you through decades without the nightmare of costly repairs. What's remarkable is that many Forester owners have surpassed 200,000 miles and still treat their vehicle like it's brand new. No rattles, no wear. Thanks to its loyal community, the Forester's resale value is among the best. This means when you're ready to upgrade, you'll get a significant chunk of money back in your pocket, unlike less durable SUVs whose value evaporates. Beyond that, the Forester comes standard with AWD, offers superior fuel efficiency compared to many mid-size SUVs, and boasts a slew of safety certifications. A vehicle that's durable, safe, and holds its value. Isn't that the perfect formula every family is looking for? Do Honda CR-V. When it comes to durability in the SUV world, few names can compete with the CR-V. This model has not only repeatedly overtaken the Toyota RAV4, but also won over drivers with its refined practicality. Easy to drive, fuel efficient, and incredibly reliable. It's hard to believe, but some second-generation CR-Vs from the early 2000s are still hitting 500,000 miles without ever needing a major rebuild. That's a figure that makes even pricier European brands take a step back. Beyond durability, the CR-V shines with impressive fuel economy, reaching up to 30 mpg combined, a big win for families who travel often. Plus, thanks to its IIER's Top Safety Pick Plus rating, insurance companies favor the CR-V with lower premiums compared to riskier competitors like the Jeep Cherokee or Ford Escape. Here's what makes the CR-V a long-term steal: its sky-high resale value. When you decide to trade it in, the CR-V won't leave you stressed about depreciation. An SUV that's fuel-efficient, durable, and holds its value. The CR-V is clear proof that practicality can sometimes be the smartest and most sustainable choice. Then Honda HR-V. Smaller than its sibling, the CR-V, the HR-V proves that sometimes small but mighty is the way to go. Don't let its size fool you. This is one of the most reliable subcompact SUVs on the market. Built on Honda's engineering foundation, the HR-V regularly surpasses 150,000 to 200,000 miles with just oil changes, filter replacements, and basic checks. It's like a simple Swiss watch, unassuming but precise and incredibly durable. A big advantage of the HR-V is its outstanding fuel economy, up to 34 mpg on the highway. This means you get a versatile SUV without worrying about fuel costs eating away at your wallet. Insurance for the HR-V is also typically cheaper, thanks to low repair costs and impressive safety results. These are small monthly savings that add up to a number that'll make you smile over the years. Most importantly, the HR-V holds its value remarkably well. You can confidently trade it in after years and still pocket a significant sum. A compact, fuel-efficient, durable, and financially smart SUV, the HR-V is a choice you'll never regret. Bonus: 2 SUVs to avoid. 1. Jeep Wrangler. The name Wrangler likely conjures images of freedom, rugged off-road style, and the ability to conquer any tough terrain. But sadly, behind that masculine exterior lies a less pleasant truth. The Wrangler is one of the most money-hungry SUVs out there. Owners frequently complain about persistent issues, from faulty electrical systems and oil leaks to suspension problems and the nightmare known as the death wobble, where the entire vehicle shakes violently over a single pothole. That's not all. The Wrangler struggles in safety tests, earning only average or poor ratings from the IIHS. This leads to sky-high insurance premiums, as insurers know the risks of covering a Wrangler. Imagine this. Instead of spending weekends cruising with friends, you're stuck under the hood, troubleshooting endless breakdowns. Sure, the Wrangler has a unique appeal for car enthusiasts, but if you're looking for an SUV for long-term reliability, minimal hassle, and financial savings, the Wrangler is far from a wise choice. The question is, do you want a vehicle to show off your personality or an SUV that truly protects your wallet and peace of mind? 2. Ford Explorer 2010s models. On paper, the Explorer was once a dream for many families. Spacious, stylish, and packed with technology. But behind the wheel, it's a gamble that has cost many owners dearly. Its fatal flaw lies in the automatic transmission. Meant to be the heart of an SUV, it turns into a nightmare. Many owners report jerky gear shifts, delays, or complete transmission failure before reaching 100,000 miles, with repair costs often swallowing $3,000 or more. That's not the end of it. The 2010s Explorer models are plagued by other issues: water pump leaks, electrical faults, and multiple recalls that leave buyers more anxious than reassured. Add to that lackluster crash test results, which push insurance premiums higher than expected. So, even if you think you've bought the perfect family SUV, you're stuck with a mountain of hidden costs. The Explorer was once a golden name in Ford's history, but in the 2010s, it became a textbook example of the saying, choose the wrong model year, and you'll drive straight into a pit of expenses. In contrast, the durable SUVs we've listed are the truly smart choices. The key to choosing a wise SUV isn't about flashy looks or a cheap upfront price. It's about reliability, operating costs, and resale value. Models like the RAV4, CR-V, Forester, and Lexus LX prove that a durable SUV can save you tens of thousands of dollars over its lifetime. On the flip side, choosing a Wrangler or Explorer could cost you time, money, and peace of mind. Pick the right SUV today, and you're investing in your future. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.